Certainly a sign of upheaval in this new Trump Justice Department, and certainly a sign of a purge that is apparently underway in the Justice Department to get rid of those career officials who are believed or perceived to be disloyal to this president. As you have correctly stated, the Trump DOJ has fired more than a dozen, I believe now, career litigators here in this Justice Department who had worked on two cases in particular against the president, the January 6th case and the classified documents case. Fired employees were sent a letter, and this kind of sheds a little light. We got a little bit of information on this letter. It said, it's cited their roles in the investigation. It said, you played a significant role in prosecuting President Trump, and went on to say the proper functioning of the government critically depends on the trust of superior officials that they place in their subordinates. Giving your significant role in prosecuting the president, I do not believe that the leadership of the department can trust you to implement the president's agenda faithfully. That is pretty clear on its face what it is. It is retribution. It is a fitting term, retribution there. Trump has lashed out against this DOJ for well over 2 years now, certainly on the campaign trail, certainly after the election, and now certainly not lashing out just so much in words, but in action. Now, the letter also acknowledges that these career officials can appeal this. They have civil service rights, they have due process rights, and there's the other side of this is that there are supporters of these career officials, and legal experts are pointing out some problems here, particularly with the due process and the civil service, but also citing that many of these career officials did not choose to investigate these cases. They were assigned these cases to investigate the president, to investigate at that point who was the former president. And so the warning here is that these firings will have a chilling effect on DOJ employees who keep their jobs, whether or not they actually want to or can investigate public officials. So there's a lot at play here. Probably not a surprise that this has happened, but certainly it's certainly a shakeup, no doubt, and a purge is kind of a good way to describe what is taking place here in the Justice Department. Not sure exactly the names or where they fall in, how long they've been there, but they were working on those two particular cases against the president.